For anyone over 50, there is a silent crisis eroding your strength every single year, and your doctor probably isn't even mentioning this one forgotten food that can stop it. What if everything you thought about inevitable muscle loss was wrong? What if you could actually rebuild what's been stolen by time? And what if the most powerful tool wasn't a drug, but something you've overlooked your entire life? I'm about to reveal the 10 critical, science-backed foods your body desperately needs. And the number one item on this list is so effective, research shows it can outperform certain medications. Let's get straight into it. First, we need to understand the enemy. Age-related muscle wasting is a real condition, and it starts much earlier than you think. Once you pass 50, you can lose up to 1% of your lean tissue annually. This decline speeds up with each passing decade. The consequences aren't just about getting weaker. This leads to a higher risk of falls, a slower metabolism, less independence, and can even impact how long you live. Why does this happen? Several factors converge. Your body gets worse at using protein to build new muscle. Key hormones that maintain tissue begin to fade. Silent, chronic inflammation starts breaking you down faster. You might not be absorbing all the nutrients you eat. And of course, activity levels often drop. But here's the revolutionary part. This process is not a one-way street. You can fight back, starting today, with what you put on your plate. These are the 10 essential foods to reclaim your muscle mass. Number 10. Wild salmon. This isn't just good for your heart. Its rich omega-3 fats directly switch on muscle protein synthesis and calm inflammation. A clinical trial found older adults who boosted omega-3 south increased muscle-building response by over 50%. Try to have 2 servings each week. Number 9. The whole egg. The incredible, edible egg. The whole egg. The yolk is a goldmine of leucine, the master amino acid that signals your body to build. Studies confirm that eating whole eggs leads to superior muscle gains compared to whites alone. For best results, aim for 2 to 3 daily. Number 8. Plain Greek yogurt. It's loaded with casein, a slow-digesting protein that provides a steady drip of fuel to your muscles for hours. Perfect before bed, research showed it boosted overnight muscle repair in older adults by 22%. Choose unsweetened, high-protein versions. Number 7. Grass-fed beef. It's a prime source of creatine, zinc, and B12, all crucial for muscle repair and healthy hormone levels. Grass-fed versions have more anti-inflammatory fats. Enjoying a lean cut a couple times a week makes a significant difference. Number 6. Fermented foods. Foods like sauerkraut or kimchi. Your gut health is secretly connected to your muscles. A healthier gut absorbs protein and nutrients far more efficiently. Adding a small daily dose of these foods can enhance your body's ability to use every bite for repair. Number 5. Blueberries. These tiny berries are giants in fighting oxidative stress, which accelerates muscle breakdown. Athletes using blueberries recovered faster from soreness. A daily handful protects your hard-earned tissue. Number 4. Bone broth. It's brimming with collagen and glycine, which strengthen the connective tissue that holds muscle together and can improve recovery rates. Sipping a cup daily supports your joints and muscles. Number 3. Whey protein. A specific type, not the sugary blends, but a high-quality, grass-fed, cold-processed isolate. It delivers a rapid, complete dose of all the amino acids your muscles crave for growth. It's one of the most efficient tools available. Number 2. Lentils and chickpeas. If you prefer plant-based power, these are your champions. Packed with protein and fiber, they provide steady energy and have been proven to stimulate muscle synthesis effectively. 1 to 2 servings daily can maintain strong, lean mass. The number 1 superfood revealed. And now, the number 1 muscle-regenerating superfood, the one modern medicine often overlooks. Number 1. Bovine colostrum. This is the first milk produced by cows. It's not a regular dairy product. It's a concentrated source of growth factors like IGF-1 and immune-supporting compounds. A landmark study found that supplementing with it helped an astounding 91% of older participants rebuild significant muscle in just 6 weeks. In some trials, its natural growth factors delivered results that rivaled prescription options. It works by naturally reigniting your body's own repair and growth mechanisms. You can find it as a powder from grass-fed cows. Add it to a morning smoothie. This one natural food could be the key to turning back the clock on muscle loss. Conclusion. If you want to stay strong, active, and independent, These 10 foods are your blueprint. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this guide to taking back your strength valuable, do me a huge favor, press the like button and subscribe to Healthy Lifestyle. Your support helps us reach more people who need this information. Thanks for watching.